Hi folks, Art at Leach Campers, or We Camp Better. We're going to show you 3 of our single axle hideouts. These are 2021s. This is the first one. This is the 177RD, which is a rear dining. You're going to love this one. It's got a lot of room in the back. This has got the new color. It's not shiny. It has just a little more of a matte finish. Has the steps to touch the ground. Like I said, folks, single axle. So this thing only weighs 3,300 pounds. Storage under here. You're going to see the picture windows here. You're going to love this on the inside because of the rear dining. Storage here. So both of these are under the dinette. I'll reference to that 30 amp service. This has got a side air conditioner. You don't need a roof air on a coach of this size. We actually tested one of these. We had a customer that didn't believe it. It was a 100-degree day back in the summer, and so we turned it on at 9 in the morning. She came by 11, and it was a very comfortable 75 degrees inside the coach. So the side air conditioners or the wall air conditioners are doing fine. Has the interference fit door, electric awning, does have the LED lights. A lot of the smaller coaches have manual awnings. Come on in. As you look to the right, you're going to see a nice, fairly good sized bed for a smaller coach. You can have nice, see the white with the black accents. Shows very well. Come on over, I want to show you the bathroom real quick. See black doorknob, darker doors. It just is a very modern colors. This is a dry bath, not a wet bath, even though this is about a 20-foot long trailer, so it's not very long. This shows you the nice big kitchen area, 2-burner stove. But this is that dinette I was telling you about. See the picture windows? Has the true blackout shades, but this folds down, makes a nice comfortable bed. But this is very comfortable as a couple's coach, but you can also put a second person in here. There is your window air conditioning, pre-wired for TV right here. And then they took here's your refrigerator, furnace. They took the radio out of these and put it as an individual unit. It comes in a box. So that way you can take it outside the coach, inside the coach. You're not stuck with just a little car radio. So this is Art at Leach Campers, where we camp better. It's a 2021, and it's the Keystone 177RD. Come see me on this one. We have value priced at $15,500.